This year is going to be all about me, and here is how I'm going to go about it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl Abike Taylor, and I am officially welcoming you to a new year. So happy new year, everyone. And if this is your first time, please don't make it be your last. Stick with us and let us grow together. And if this is your everyday thinking, if you are my subscribers, oh my god, thank you guys for coming back, and you guys are the real MVP. So in today's video, like you have seen from the title, this year I am building myself. I am going all out, and it's all going to be about branding. It's going to be about my brand, and I'm not doing anything else other than to build my brand this year. So yeah, I've already listed out what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it, and yeah, with no further ado, let's get on to it. Every brand building journey starts from active social media platform. Yes, we all know that if you want to build your brands and you want to go all out there, you want to promote yourself, you want to invest in yourself, you have to start from the root, which is the social media platform. The social media platform, I mean, is your IG, your YouTube, your X, your Snapchat, and your TikTok. Those are, and also your Facebook. Those are the platforms that you have to put yourself out there, you have to promote yourself with. So that's what I'm starting on this year because of what I want to do. I want to build up my career. I want to build up Abike Taylor as a brand. So I'm starting with the social media platform. So like I already listed, I have my IG, which is It's Abike, yes, and I also have my TikTok Abike Taylor, and YouTube also Abike Taylor, and my Snapchat Tiamo Black, but it's under Abike Taylor, and also my X app It's Abike. So I've already arranged all that because those are the ones I'm going to be working with this year. So I'm going all out, and I'm going to be using this platform actively this year. So the next on the list is niche. Yes, we all know that if you want to, after you've already gotten your social media handle, so the next thing is to provide your niche. So what could be your niche? So there are numerous niche that I was considering, but I know the one that I fall in love with. I know that I'm very good at skincare. I'm really sorry about the background. I know I'm very good at skincare. I know I'm very good when it comes to fashion because of my career. I'm a fashion designer alongside a content creator. So adding fashion to my content creating is going to be a bomb. A bomb. So this year I'm planning on bringing out my styles, the ones I'm going to be sewing, my unique style that I'll be sewing, my brands as a whole. So I'm going to be bringing them out this year, and I'm also going to be exposed to different and numerous skincare type. I'm looking at some skincare type that are very good with everyday use, which I've already started using, but I actually want to go deeper into it. So I'm going to make some few research on the skincare, and I'm going to go all out on it. So aside that, I'm also going to go all out on product revealing. I'm going to be getting different products like perfume, fragrance, and I'm going to be getting a lot of skincare product as well. And I'm also going to be trying out, aside the ones I'll be sewing for myself, I'll also be trying out some styles, some fashion all from popular brands. So I won't leave anything out. I'm going all out, like I said, this year. If I really want to be successful in this field, I have my 5 platform in order for me not to choke at the middle of the year. I've already divided some of what I'll be doing on each platform. Like on YouTube, we all know that YouTube, I'll be giving out my vlogs series, either from my lifestyle or from my fashion area, or from my skincare routine, that's my skincare brand as a whole, or my makeup routine also, because I plan on learning how to do a makeup this year. So I'll be doing a lot of that on YouTube, because I'm doing that not just bringing it out for you guys to see, but also learn from it, because I don't know how to apply makeup. So if I am doing that often, I'm indirectly teaching myself how to apply makeup on my own. So it's just like a win-win from both ends. So I'll be doing all of that, and also I'll be doing some product revealing, and once in a while I'll be doing sit-down interaction between me and you guys. So that's for the YouTube. So for my IG and TikTok, I plan on putting out shorter version of what I'll be doing on the YouTube, like my fashion. I can be doing get ready with me every time on TikTok and Instagram. It's just going to be all about my fashion, what I just made, the latest style I just made, or the latest outfit I just got. So I'll be doing a lot of get ready with me on fashion, and also get ready with me on my makeup and skincare routine. So I'll be doing a lot of that on TikTok and Instagram, so that I'll be promoting my brands there. But the longer version of those videos, where I will be able to explain it detail by detail, will always be on my YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribing to my channel, or you're not following all my other social media handles, you better think now and do that. So the next is strategy. This one has to do with this one I actually sit down to really think about this, because without this strategy, all the plans I've made earlier on would just go down the drain, and I don't want that to go. So it's going to take a full dedication to be able to pull this out. So, and like I said, I am not giving up this year. I'm going all out. So first, if I want to build my brand successfully, I have to stay consistent. Consistency is the key when it comes to building your brands. You have to really be consistent on building your brands, getting everyone to join your community on every platform that you put yourself out there, either IG or YouTube or X or Snapchat or TikTok. You have to really stay consistent, because the more consistent you are, the more you are in achieving that goal that you set for yourself. So the next on the list, I'm really sorry that I have to look down because I wrote this down. So the next on the list is reach out to popular brands. Yes, I've not been doing that for the years to come, but this year I plan on reaching out to popular brands, to getting their products to be able to advertise on my platform. So I'm going all out in reaching out to popular brands, to be able to get their brands and also use and be able to advertise to my subscribers and my followers and my family as a whole. So the next one is to reach out to events. There are lots of influential events. So this year I'm down for any influential events there. So I'm going to research more on events, on influential events, and register and go as many as I want to this year, because it's all about building brands. So so the next on the list is try to be known for a particular niche. Like I've already said, the niche I'm going to be working on, so I'm going all out there, so I'll be able to be known. So if they say, oh, Abike Taylor, the next thing on their mind is that niche. So I want to be known for a particular niche, and I'm going all out for that. So, and the next one is get more accessories. Yes, this is major thing. Like for instance, in this video I'm using like two, let me just say, two rechargeable lamp, which is not suitable for my video. So I'm planning on getting a bigger accessories like LED lights for my sit down videos, and also get cameras. I'm planning on that. Like I'm saving a whole lot for that, because right now I'm using my phone and I don't want to be using my phone anymore. So I want to get like a camera, so I'm saving up for that. And I want to like get other accessories like wireless microphones, and get all the latest accessories for my YouTube, because I'm going all out this year. And as the theme of the video, I am risking it all. So that's just what I have on the strategy on growing my brands. You have to stay connected, be consistent, and go all out there. Don't be scared, and kill that FEAR, that fear. Kill it, because that is what I'm going to do this year, and I'm going to do that. Relationship and collaboration. Like I've already said, I'm down for any event, I'm down for any relationship that you guys want to bring for us, and I'm down for any collaboration. So if you are out there viewing me, looking at this channel, coming to this channel, and want to collaborate with me, please, I am available for any collaboration of sorts. So let us meet and let us stay connected, because this year is about to be our year. So I'm open and I'm available for any collaboration, and I'm also going to enjoy myself. I'm going to have fun this year. Like I'm going to enjoy myself, because I've been depriving myself of fun and entertainment all this while, and I don't want to do that anymore. Like starting from this year, I'm going to go all out there to enjoy myself, to have fun, to be the best I can. Because we every day passes, and you have to have like good memories. So I'm going all out to take care of myself, to have my alone time. I'm going to really enjoy myself from starting from this year. Yes, like, to be honest, I really love to get connected more to God. I want to stay closer to God. I want to know Him more. I want to be able to call Him at any time that I'm alone. I want to like know God more, worship Him, study Him, and I want to stay connected to God. So I'm doing that this year, because without Him, to be honest, all the things that I've mentioned won't be possible. So I want to know Him, I want to study Him, I want to get closer, move closer to God, because without God, your life, trust me, will be meaningless. Without Him in your life, without Him breathing in and out in your life, it's just going to be waste. So I'm planning on moving closer to God. I want to at least be reading my Bibles daily, and also stay connected, and also pray and praise Him every day, at least every day. I know it's a cliche that you come here every January 1st to say, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, but it takes full dedication in doing that, and which is what I'm planning to do, because that's why I'm putting God first. I want to put God first in everything I do because I believe in myself. I want to like push myself out there. I want to build my brands. I want to like have I want to stay connected to people. I want to like be able to collaborate with other brands, other content creators, and other influencers out there. I want to be known for my work, and I want to grow in every aspect of my social media. So that's why I'm going all out there, and I can't do that without God, and I can't do that without you. So please guys, please continue to support me. And because when I see more of that, when I see more of this, I'm going to like be gingered. So please guys, I can't do this alone. I can't do this without God and without you guys. So please continue to support me in any area that you need, that you deem fit. Let's grow this together and let's achieve this goal together. So with that being said, this is the end of today's video. I hope you love it. I hope you have learned one or two, and I hope what I said I'm going to do, you are going to sit down and think and do it as well, because I'm not only passing it out to me, I'm passing it out to everyone interested, everyone struggling to build their brand. So I'm passing it out to us, so that our year is going to be fulfilled, so that when we get to December 2025, we are going to look back and say, yes, we actually achieved something. So that's my aim this year. And please do not just watch this video, please share the video to as your families, your friends that are struggling in trying to like get something done. Please just share the video to them and let them learn one or two as well. So it's me, your girl, again. I'm going to see you in my next video. So till then, bye and happy new year once again.